Hope they will be joining today. Impa can share your screen. We will start the first campaign.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you help me with like I have not reached this page yet. I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. That's why.
share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Impa, you can pause your screen for a while.
Ma'am.
Okay. Click on this hide on the bottom. Next. You didn't get that next option.
No, ma'am.
Go back.
Ma'am, what happened is yesterday monkeys have came here and they have just teared all the wires. Everything like
I didn't get that.
there are monkeys in this area, ma'am.
Okay.
So they have torn all the wires
Mm-hmm.
in the home. Low, so all the web connect, internet connection, this cable, everything is gone. So I couldn't restore anything. Like
Okay.
I started doing it in the afternoon only. After the class
Mm-hmm.
only I started.
Okay. Okay. Click on continue. Add the information here.
Ma'am, it's done. Profile is done.
Payment method. Add payment method. Bank transfer. I agree. Submit. Complete. Continue. Yes. Save and continue. My agency or a client. Anything will work. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is your dashboard. So the keyword research is
Yes.
not done yet.
No, ma'am.
You know how to do it?
Yes, ma'am. I saw that in the video, like putting the everything.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start the campaign. You can stop your screen for a while.
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja. Let Impa share. Okay. Campaign. Did you click on that? Or else do one thing. On the left top, you have a plus create icon. Left campaign. Write your business name, website URL,
I'm in HTTP form or I'll just write the website.
www. Next. Okay, we saw what is objective and what is the campaign type. First, we will work on the sales. Continue. So here, let us work on the search campaign first. So remember, you can note it down. First is we have selected sales campaign, and under that the campaign type is search. When people search on Google, my result has to be shown there. Click on search. So they're asking, select the way you would like to reach your goal. You want website visit should happen, or phone call should happen, or people should directly come to your store. How the sales should happen? They need to come to your store. Okay. If you select website link, website and phone number, it will ask you for the phone number and the website link. Now click on the campaign name and type the campaign name. So this is completely for your understanding. So we will be creating a lot of campaigns: Salva sales campaign, lead generation campaign, February campaign, March campaign. So for that, for your understanding, okay, sales search campaign. Continue. Or else you want to rename it, you can rename it, Impa.
Ma'am, we can give like we can give again and again, like twice we can give sale and all, or
Anything.
else
Anything. This is, you should understand what is this campaign, because we in future we will be creating a lot of campaigns. You should understand what is this campaign.
okay, ma'am.
So sales search, Ravastra sales search sales search campaign, February 2026. Just give me a minute. Hello. No, we are not. Okay. Now click on continue. So what do you bidding here? It is in this stage. It is so left side. Can you observe the screen? Search. Under that we have bidding. First step is bidding. Next is customer acquisition. That is cost per action or cost per acquisition. And next is campaign settings, AI Max, keyword and asset generation, ad group budget, and last is the review stage. So this all steps you are going to do it one by one. So, what do you want to focus on? Click on the drop down. You want the conversion. Conversion means people have to get converted. Or conversion value, or the clicks. I want only the clicks, or I want the impression share. What it is? What do you want? Conversion. So the goal is to get converted. So next is set a cost per action, that is optional. I told you, no, we will be calculating based on the keywords. For example, click on turn on that, it will ask you for the price. Cost per action price, which means based on the low page top of the page bit low, top of the page bit high. Yesterday we saw, no, when you're doing the keyword research, based on that you will pick any 10 to 15 keywords and you will calculate it, like adding all the things and divided by 10. You will get the result. you will add that amount here, which means you're bidding to Google. You're telling like, I can pay for one conversion only this amount. I'm going to pay, but it does not that exactly it will happen. It may vary. Like minimum amount can also be added, or else maximum can also be added. So this is advanced level. When you start running your campaign, multiple campaign, you will understand the conversion value here. For now, skip it and convert only bid for new customers. So this also in future you can use it. What is that? When you're running advertisement, you will be the advertisement will be shown to the people. Like now you, it is the new customers, all of you are the new customers. In future you don't want to show this advertisement to the people who have already seen this advertisement. So that is only bid for new customers. Okay, so your campaign will be limited to only new customers regardless of your bid strategy. So this we will do it in future. Now click on next. Okay, so it is asking your advertisement has to be shown in Google Search Partner Network, that is recommended, and Google Display Network. You want to show that search campaign has to be shown to the Google. I told you, no, certain website will be partnered with Google. There also your advertisement will be shown. If yes, it is recommending. Actually, when Google is recommending, let it be turned on. So because they will give you a lot of maximum conversion will happen. Okay, and select the location for your campaign, where you want to run the campaign. All over India, or only in Bangalore, or only in Bangalore, that is nearby Malleshwaram place alone. Click on enter another location. Type the location there where you want to run the campaign. Impa only in Bangalore or all over Karnataka. Include ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, it is included. Now again type some other place in Karnataka. Mangalore, Uttarakhand. This is. See, can you find next to that? Wait. If I just wait for my instructions,
Okay, ma'am.
just type there some other location now. Tumkur. Before selecting on that, straight to that, can you find include, exclude nearby option? Click on exclude, which means Tumkuru is excluded. You cannot target that location in Karnataka. Precise targeting. When you're targeting Bangalore, only Bangalore location will be selected. But you don't want to show your advertisement to Tumkur people. So this also works like, see on the bottom, can you find that include option? Presence or interest. So you're in Tumkur, but you're showing interest in Bangalore. You're searching for places near Bangalore, places to visit in Bangalore, but you're located in Tumkur. But it is asking, that is what mentioned in these two options, presence or interest. So people in regular in or who have shown interest in the included location, that is recommended. You're going to target people who have shown interest in Bangalore too. Okay, presence means people who are located in Bangalore alone. I'm sitting here, but I'm searching for Dubai, places to visit in Dubai, or malls in Dubai, or something related to that, or how to change my career to Dubai. If I search something, when people are targeting Dubai, I will be able to see the advertisement from here, from India. Okay, that is the option available here. So you have to decide whether you want to go with the first one or the second option.
This one,
First
ma'am.
option,
Yeah.
click on location option on the top. Location option. So here you also have additionally select the language your customer speaks. You want to target only English speaking people, by default it is selected, or else you want to target only Kannada people, that is also possible here. For example, how you so you are selling a Kannada book or any other things related to Kannada only, then what you will do, you will select that particular people, precise targeting. Okay. And does your campaign have the European Union political ads? Yes or no? No, the campaign does not have EU. Okay. Now click on the segment audience segments drop down, scroll down. So here you will be able to search for the audience whom you're going to target. Okay. Search for clothing. So you will get to see the options. You can select from that option whom you're going to target. Turning back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now scroll down.
Ma'am, only two I have selected.
Search for some other thing whom you want to target.
Only 13 options are there.
Click on browse. Next to search, you have browse option. See, we have detailed demographics, who they are, what are their interests. Click on that and select it. Parental status, marital status, all the other things.
Ma'am, if baby products are there, then we can opt only for them.
New mommies. See, we have parents of toddlers, parents of preschoolers. என்னங்க இந்த வந்துட்டேங்க.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now click on next impact.
Ma'am, this one targeting.
Let it be observational itself.
Okay.
So this is AI Max of search campaigns. You can generate when you turn on this optimize your campaign with AI button on the option you have there in the middle of your screen. So the all the content and all the headline description will be done by AI itself. But so now we will learn by ourselves. Then we will go with the advanced features. So now scroll down assets optimization. Click on the drop down. Mm, okay, let it be. Don't click on anything and click on. We are skipping this AI Max for now. Click on next. Keywords and assert generation. So here is you're going to add the keywords. Select the keywords IMPA from your research keyword research sheet. Minimum 10, maximum up to 50. And this one, you need to add what makes your product or services unique. Unique selling proposition of your business can be added here. Generate using ChatGPT and add the description here.
Ma'am, keyword, where should I paste?
Keywords I will tell you. First, work on this USP. We will finish one by one.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Pooja.
for me it is automatically added.
Which one? Keywords.
No, ma'am. This about the company.
Unique selling proposition.
Yes, ma'am.
It would have analyzed your website. Did you turn on that AI Max?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Keywords also sometimes it will be added by referring your website. Add two lines about the same impa like hmm.
Ma'am, it's taking time to load.
Not impa.
It's taking time to load. I don't know why.
Chat GPT.
Yeah.
Type two lines about or else scroll down. I'll tell you. We will finish all the other things.
Got it, ma'am.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Now scroll down. Hmm. Review and groups. Click on skip on the bottom. Okay. Scroll down. So enter the product which you are going to add, sell, and below you have the keyword options.
Ma'am, many products we can enter or only one
Any
product?
product you can, you add two or three products for now. Click
Okay.
enter after, just like the tag.
Ma'am, only the name I need to copy.
Yeah, only the name. First column alone.
Ma'am, well, it's taking like this. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Ah, let
This
it
is
be, let it be.
okay.
Now scroll. How many you have added?
15. 15, ma'am.
15. Okay. Scroll down. So on the right side, can you find the campaign optimization score? They have given you 93.6 percentage. It's good on the top. Yes. So weekly estimations. Can you find the estimation based on your daily budget? They have
Yeah.
given you this much, but we have not added the budget. Okay, now scroll down. We'll check it. Mm, scroll down. So here you need to add the ad asset. Scroll even more down. Display path, I told you no yesterday, like how next to your website on the right side you can see the preview. Okay, like final URL is that display path. How I will show you the example what is display path. Open a new tab and type there digital marketing courses. Okay, so next to that link, hi https www.digitalacademy360.com, can you find online classroom there? So that is display path. Now decide what you have to type there.
Check other websites.
Mm. They are your competitors. So you can type there lehengas because you are running advertisement for saris lehengas. So you can mention that in display path.
Okay, ma'am.
You have 15 character limitations.
Ma'am, in both the boxes I need to fill.
One the sari and the next box lehenga.
Ma'am, here in the description they have given, no, they are showing it in the mobile this thing,
Mm-hmm.
how it displays. Yeah.
Now scroll down headline. So there you have the options. Scroll down headlines. So at least three headlines are required. So utilize all the boxes and write the proper headline description for the ad. So now we are going to write the ad copy using a tool. I'll be sharing the tool with you. So I'm sharing it copy.ai. It is a tool where you can generate the title and description for your ads. Open that link. Kumpa. Fill the details. Targeted URL, your URL. Persona to analyze the target URL with.
Persona, what should I give?
Who is your target audience? And keyword, what all the keyword you're going to target. Enter. Click on enter. Next to ladies.
Oh, ma'am.
Add the URL of your competitor.
Here, ma'am.
Yes. Unable to click it.
Um,
Click on generate ad copy. Try reloading it once.
No, ma'am.
Type it again, Nimha. Or else do one thing, go to ChatGPT. This you can use it, but now go to ChatGPT and generate the title and description, copy and paste it. In future, you can use this too.
Ma'am, type description and heading for these two topics.
No, no, not required.
Ma'am, like,
It is not that it should be on depending on the display path. You need to create the headline and description. It should be based on the keyword.
okay.
Imra, you should ask for add copy,
Okay, ma'am.
more headlines and more description. Okay, just go back to your Google Ads. So scroll down, you have the character limitation for each headline and description. Okay, 30 is the character limit. So you have to write it accordingly. Okay, now scroll down. When you use this copy AI, it will give you the based on this 30 character limitations. Okay, click on this add headline again. Utilize all the headlines. Click on this plus again. Once more, one more time, one more, one more, one more. So this will be in the rotational basis. You add all the headlines in one more time, one more time. That's all. So this is the headline, and scroll down. You have a description also. The character limitation here is 90. Click on description. Yes, for description you can write. Now scroll down. Okay, I will teach you tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, we will do it tomorrow. Scroll down. Uh, can you find next there on the bottom? Yes, save it
Same.
and go to the, yeah, once you add everything, just click on the save. It will take you to the budget page. So we came up to the end. So
Okay.
next is budget. You can add the daily budget of 1,000 rupees. It will recommend you somewhere around 3,000 or 2,000, but you should give 1,000 as the uh, daily budget. And click on review. You will be able to see all the details which you have added with the keywords, headline, description, and all the thing. And you need to publish it. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, finish this. I will let you know what is site links for tomorrow. We will learn step
Ma'am,
by step.
you need to give this many headings.
Yes, it is required.
Okay. Like for the same topic, this many headings we should.
Same for these three keywords. Like you have selected sari, lehengas, and one more thing.
Kurtas.
For that, you need to write all the keywords. You will be able to see the preview at the right side.
Okay, ma'am.
It will not be very bigger impact because the character limitation is very less 30.
Okay.
It will be a short description headline.
Yeah.
Start working on this. Pooja, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Imp.
What is this? Shall I click next?
Yes. Click on next.
Create group, add
No, no,
group,
no.
manual.
Not required for now. Click on next. Okay. Daily budget, scroll down. Set custom budget, 1000. Okay, now they have given the estimation for that 1000 rupees. Yes, scroll down. Next, not required. Okay, now check it. You can review and publish the campaign. Now click on cancel. Scroll down, Impa. Come to the bottom of the page. So here you can check all the things and you can publish the campaign. On the last, you have the publish button. No? Scroll up to the top.
Campaign failed to save its shine.
Verification was not done.
Yeah, 1 second.